my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this food grade safe silicone with a wooden handle. Kitchen set. Ooh. So you can choose whatever color it is that you want. They have a lot of different color choices, but I chose red. Over here you can see all the colors that it comes in. So it actually comes in this, I love that it already has a case so that you can put all your stuff in. It's called the cooking doll. First we have one of these guys for cooking like pancakes or anything like that. Similar. This I like to use when I take out my noodles and grasp them really nicely. This is perfect for drain out soup and just to get the stuff. This is for when you put on your rib, you know, seasoning, marinade and stuff. Well, just a spoon, another spoon, a soup ladle, a spatula, an egg beater, another spoon, a little bit like not quite soup, not quite, you know, it's kind of in the middle, and then tongs. And then you can probably hold this up to keep it flat. And then everything goes nicely